Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to view your video search history on Facebook. If you want to know how to see all the videos you have searched for on the platform, follow these easy steps. Step 1. Open the Facebook app. Start by launching the Facebook app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on your profile picture or your name to access your personal profile page. This is where you can find all your personal information and activity. Step 3. Navigate to activity. Log next from your profile page. Tap on the 3 dots next to Edit Profile. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Step 4. Tap Activity Log. Tap on the option that says Activity Log. This will show you a detailed list of all your activity on Facebook. Step 5. Find Videos Searched. Under the Archive section, swipe left until you find the option for Videos Searched. Tap on it to see a list of all the videos you have searched for on Facebook. That's it. Now you know how to easily view your video search history on Facebook. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using social media platforms. Thanks for watching.